Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this tutorial. What I would like to talk about in this session is this problem here, no device selected. Many times you turn on Android Studio, you select your project and you know that you have Android virtual devices, just there is no device selected. And the simplest way how you can resolve this through Android Studio is go to Tools, Avd Manager. Here you will find all the virtual devices that you already created. You can easily create a new one through this button, create virtual device. If you don't have anything in the list, you select some device here. For example, I select a phone, Pixel 3, and I just click next. Here I need to download the system image for it. It will be this one for me, the latest version. So now he will download the image of the operating system, which will be running on your new virtual device. Now the image has been downloaded. Android Studio is unzipping it, installing, and it's done. You just click on finish and here next, you name it. For me it's Pixel 3 API 30. That's all that I need to know. It's good to name it after the API so that once you are searching for the API in your virtual devices, which you identified in your application, it's easier this way. Now I can start it. Now he's telling me unable to locate ADB, but anyway, it's not a problem for him to start my virtual machine. Once it starts, it will appear here. So now my new virtual machine is up and running. The SDAG Phone 86 mobile appeared here. This is the virtual machine. So this is the quickest way to start a virtual machine. Go to Tools, Avd Manager, select your virtual machine, and I have to ignore this error. And once it appears, you just select it here. So this is one way. Another way is, I'll close it now. Another way is Flutter emulators. This is inside the terminal of Android Studio. You write Flutter emulators to get a list of all the emulators that you have available. Here you can see is also the one which I just added, and you can launch an emulator by copying this text and the ID of the emulator which you would like to launch. Now you will see how it will appear here. That's perfect. But what can happen is also that you have some underlying problem. This you figure out best by running Flutter Doctor. So right now my Flutter Doctor shows very good results, but a few days ago it wasn't the case. I wasn't able to get to Flutter emulators. I will show it to you in the next video. Please like, comment, and if this is the first time you are watching one of my videos, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon!